Start by selecting the Type tool and typing your desired text. This is the foundation of your logo, so choose something clean and bold. Once your text is ready, press Ctrl+T to transform it and adjust the size according to your design needs. Make sure it looks balanced on your canvas. Next, select the Ellipse tool and draw a circular shape around or near your text, depending on your style. This will help create a modern and clean logo look. Now press Ctrl+J to duplicate the shape, then press Ctrl+T again and resize the duplicate while holding Shift to keep it proportional. This creates a nice layered effect. Change the color of the smaller shape. Then select both shape layers. Go to the Layer menu, choose Combine Shapes, and click on Subtract. This will give you that clean cutout effect that looks super professional. Adjust the position and size until everything feels just right. Now select the top layer, hide the background, and press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E to merge everything into a new layer. Copy it using Ctrl+C, then open your mockup file. Double-click the smart object to open it in a new window. Paste your design using Ctrl+V and hide the background layer. Resize and position your logo properly. Then close the window and save it. And just like that, boom, your logo is ready. If you enjoyed this Photoshop logo design tutorial and want more easy Photoshop tricks, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.